Have we all had a go at wallpapering, putting up a shelf? And have we all got stumped at the point when we come to measure or align? This is one of the best tricks in the book. 4th generation Zamo set. The set comes with some handy additions. With 2 rechargeable batteries, easily recharged via USB-C interface. You've got the line adapter, the wheel adapter, and the tape adapter. The Zamo 4th generation does have a measurement accuracy of 2mm, which means it's better than the cheaper brands and up there with the professional grade lasers. They also have 2mm measurement accuracy. We've not found anything lower than that. The laser is a fantastic size. It's pocket sized and lightweight, but easily to read. As easy as A to B or ABCD. As easy as A to B or the total area. Let's show you. From one side to another, click, and it stores your measurement. And then from one side to another, plus, up and down, and you have the whole area. Calculated in a blink of an eye. Actually, this laser can measure up to 25 meters. The 3rd generation actually only goes to 20 meters. As easy as one click just to go into the history, where it does store your last 10 measurements. So you don't need that pencil behind the ear. This super handy attachment is well thought out. The wheel adapter helps you measure with accuracy uneven surfaces, curves. This tiny wheel has a high performance of a measurement range of up to 20 meters. Do take care to keep that red line at 90 degrees to the object that you're measuring. Unclip and clip on your next attachment. Your own mini level, horizontal or vertical, and making sure that is dead straight and aligned. Do be aware of where you are placing the laser. As you can see, it can just show you a short line or a very long line. Have you ever measured something as random as a roll of masking tape? Well, now you can measure anything random. They've thought this through. Wrap it around, align the ends, and click. Don't worry if you do leave it on. It does go to sleep after 5 minutes. Just a tip to remember, because some lasers differ. If you are measuring from one side to the other, make sure it is from the back of the laser. You can always put it against a straight edge just to make sure you've got it bang on the end. Just have a look here as we pull the blinds down and up, how sharp that laser comes. So it's not usual, you say. You might be able to do your job better with the lights off. Pop your attachments back in the box and it'll be there the next time you need it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe and bell all. We'll be back soon.